Good afternoon, beautiful people out there. Welcome to Anya Salon. Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between a cleanup and a facial. Why would one prefer one over the other, and when it should be done, what are the advantages, and so on. Now, when we talk about the cleanup, as the name suggests, cleanup basically takes care of cleaning your skin, and the basic steps that are followed in cleanup is, of course, cleansing the skin initially, which is then followed by scrubbing the skin. After scrubbing, we go ahead and give steam, remove blackheads, and that is followed by applying a mask, which is kept for around 5-10 minutes and then washed off. Now, cleanup takes typically about 20-25 minutes, and it's done. Now, cleanup would be done by those people who are, very much exposed to pollution, are very much exposed to sunlight, are very much exposed to harsh weather conditions. So maybe they travel a lot, or they work into certain fields where there's a lot of smoke, or there's a lot of, dust, or there's a lot of some kind of a harmful chemical, or sun rays or something is affecting, which is really taking the skin, ripping the skin off of the natural moisture, ripping the skin off of the natural texture. So they get a lot of blackheads, get a lot of impurities on their faces. So that is where a cleanup is helpful. A cleanup is also helpful if you do it every 2 weeks, once in 2 weeks. That's always helpful, because it's very important for people who are prone to these kind of professions or these kind of places wherein a lot of impurities continuously settle on their skin. There are a lot of blackheads, whiteheads. At times, the skin is very oily, because of which also it attracts a lot of dust and other harmful chemicals. The skin gets tan because they are really, for a prolonged time in sun and stuff like that. So a cleanup is always beneficial for those people, these kind of people, and it can be done twice a week. It's absolutely safe, not harmful, but should not be done too often. Alternatively, not alternatively, of course, you need to do a cleanup once in 2 weeks. However, at home you can do scrubbing not more than twice in a week, and apply a quick pack if possible. That will close the pores that you open up while scrubbing, and so further impurities will not settle down if you directly go out after scrubbing. So it's important that you apply a mask after scrub in a regular routine at your home. So that's where we talk about cleanup. Now we will come about facial. Now facial also, includes the step of cleanup, wherein I'm sure you guys are aware that facial also includes a cleansing of the skin, which is followed by scrubbing, removal of blackheads with steam, and then of course an awesome relaxing massage, and followed by a face mask. Now, when we talk about a proper facial, a relaxing massage in a facial, the entire process in a facial would take around 45 minutes to an hour maximum. That's a cool enough time. So 45 minutes to an hour for our facial. However, the best part about the facial is definitely removes all impurities. It definitely go ahead and cleans your skin, makes your skin glow. The most important and fantastic part about facial is the relaxing massage. Now that massage which is given in a facial and not given in a cleanup, it kind of helps the blood circulation. It kind of tightens up your skin. It tightens up your skin pores. It also helps in, as I said, blood circulation, as a result of which the skin texture really improves. If it's a moisturizing cream that you're using for a massage, you have a really dry skin, that helps you to also give a lot of moisture to your skin, which is probably again ripped off because you are already exposed to harmful rays, harmful chemicals, or harmful environment that is kind of ripping off the natural moisture of your skin. So a facial definitely relaxes your muscles a lot. It kind of just refreshes you, and you're all charged up to take on the day, next day, and so on. However, facial can be done for a lot of reasons. It's not only just the part that you're doing. It also can be done for relaxing. As I said, it could be done for oily skin to kind of remove excess oil and take care of the acne. It could be a specific acne facial. It could be a specific glowing facial for a bride, and so on. There could be different types of facials. However, the reason why a massage is done so that it relaxes, it tightens your muscles, it improves the blood circulation and gives you that amazing glow that comes after the facial. Now, very, very important part after cleanup facial is you shouldn't go ahead and immediately use a face wash or anything which is a harsh chemical on your skin, because you've just done that massage or you've just done that facial, and you really feel pampered and you really feel good. And to make sure that treatment works on your skin, you shouldn't apply at least 8 to 12 hours. You shouldn't apply a face wash or any harsh chemical after you've done that. Basically a face wash, that's what you use, or a soap. So avoid doing that, and it will take care of what is really needed to be done. However, in case you have further questions or any other things that you want to check out on facial or cleanup, you can always comment in the below. You don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when my new video comes in. Thank you.